Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fuzzy skin the top layer in your Bambulab. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through your slicer. From here you then want to click on your model, making sure that you're inside the global options. And then you want to navigate through others, scroll down, and then we have the special mode. So from here, you just look for fuzzy skin, and then you can apply something like contour and hole, and many more. So if you only want to do your top layer, I believe it's going to be the contour option. But if not, you want to select something like all walls, but either way, it's going to be right here. You can also adjust the skin point distance and the skin thickness, but in my case, I'm just going to use the default ones. So if we click on slice plate, we will be able to apply the fuzzy skin on our topmost layer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.